Okay guys, welcome to our video today. In this video we are going to learn how to use AutoClip to generate faceless content on our YouTube channel. But in this video we're using our URL to do that, and that's why we went to our website to copy the URL. So after copying our URL, we are back to AutoClip AI. Now these videos we are seeing is videos that I've generated using AutoClip. So most of them are my script, most of them are just the title. For this particular video is from using the URL. So after pasting the URL, we click on next. It took us to select the music. Now because of policy or YouTube not to strike a video, we always select without background. There is no background music because most of this music they have a copyright issues on YouTube, and we know that when once you keep disobeying YouTube, your channel may be banned completely. So just to avoid that, we always keep our video without adding music, except you are very sure of music you are using. So we've clicked next, and this particular place we are is for us to set up our video settings, like the caption, where should be position, bottom, what's the style, and what's the font, and the rest. We can actually explore this particular screen that we are. So one of the things you could hear is animation settings, image settings, and note most of the settings require additional credit. So if you are managing your credit, it's advisable that you watch what you're selecting, because apart from the $100 based on 1 minute video, there's also some cost too. There's also some cost on some other videos too, I mean, that you select. So to avoid those costs, you just have to be careful. We have clicked next, and it have generated our script. You can update the script based on the sims. You can see it. We have sim 4, we have sim 5, sim 1 till be your sim based on your particular script generated for your shot. So as I said, we can update that, but in this video we are trying to make it short as possible. So what we need to do is to click the next to generate the video itself. You can click the next to generate the video itself. Please, if this video is important to you, please don't forget to share, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment for us to improve our videos if need be, and also for us to create content that best suits for what you are looking for, or the content to solve a particular challenge you are facing at the moment. We will do that for you. Without wasting time. So as I said, don't forget to subscribe. We are waiting for the video generating to start. It's actually takes time, so I would advise, once you get to that point, you can grab a cup of coffee to wait until the video is being generated completely. And once it's generated, you could find your video on the video menu, or your video will be there. And for us trying to access AutoClip, you can click on the description. You can find it there. I will leave the link on the description to sign up using AutoClip, so that you can get faceless content back to back, and while you focus on order of your business, or probably you are shy appearing on the camera, this is actually for you, so that you can just be creating content and schedule it on your channels and be earning money on your various social media handles. So the video is generating. We don't want to waste a lot of time. This is just it. It's nothing more than this. After your video is generated completely, you can navigate to the video menu to find your videos there. But probably we may be baffling. Let's wait. But my take is